start here.
Sounds good.
Hey everybody!
Guys!
We are making nut clusters for ourselves. So it's a little bit of a treat. So what we're going to do is we're just going to very quickly mix everything in a bowl. So we are using organic seed topper. We are going to use some walnuts, some almonds, the cacao nibs.
Ooh, cacao nibs.
Putting it all together with Canadian maple syrup that, yes, you can buy down here in Costa Rica at the Price Smart. We're so excited. And some sea salt. So what we're just going to do is, you want to take a cup of these, and I'll do a half a cup.
All right. So we got some yummy almonds, which are super nutritious in healthy fats. And a lot of people tend to forget that almonds and walnuts and Brazil nuts and, you know, these are all really great nuts to add to your diet.
Okay, do you want to do the walnuts? And I'll add in the nuts. So we're just kind of experimenting. We're not really sure how it's going to work out with the nuts and the seeds. We'll find out. We will find out.
I could do a little bit of chopping of these.
Yeah, just so you can crunch them in your hand.
Oh no, that's way.
So I've already got the pan on. We're heating up the pan right now. Throw in a little bit of nibs. We have to have chopping situation. It's a chopping situation.
Healthy fats.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're much better. Yeah, they're much better chopped up. I like them. So then you can just buy, like, if you have a bulk barn or something, you can just buy them like in bits and pieces as opposed to.
And it's cheaper.
And it's cheaper.
Because if you buy the chopped ones, you're paying for somebody to chop those for you. So we have found if you buy them whole, it's cheaper and you just cut them yourself because that's what we do. So we have our parchment.
Oh, you know what my theory is on that? It's just all the bits and bobs from when they do the processing. So it'll just cost less money because it's all this shit at the bottom of the pan.
That's hilarious. That's true, actually.
And at the end of the day, do I really care? No, not really.
No. I realized we probably shouldn't have put the nibs in right away, but that's okay. So actually, you want to just, throw those in here. And then we're just going to throw them in the pan. We're going to roast them up a little bit.
Ooh, roasting.
Okay, so we want to heat them up. I know, I use my hands for everything. I get it, but we're the only two eating this, so we're good. Okay, and I need...
It's kind of funny how people have to make comments about stuff like that. When we're the only ones eating it, we're not selling it.
Exactly. So I don't have an exact amount of maple syrup that I put in, but I do find maple syrup does work better than honey. So you can do honey. Let us know if you try it. Let us know how it's going to work. We have sea salt to put on top of it when we're done. So all we're going to do is just warm everything up a little bit. This is the first time that we're doing everything with the seeds. So, you know.
Yeah, you just gotta remember that you don't want to like heat your nuts up too hot, especially your seeds. You can even throw the seeds in like a little bit after the primary big nuts are heated, but just remember you don't want them to burn. And you just want it enough to get a little bit of the aroma, like the oils to come out a little bit. Now it's your turn, right?
Yes, it is. They may be burning slightly. We'll find out if the seed thing works. Almonds and walnuts for sure, though. I mean, that's an absolute. You can hear them popping, eh?
Yeah, that's why we would suggest like just throwing the seeds in after, as opposed to throwing them all in together.
And the nibs potentially weren't a good idea.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, you can smell it.
You smell it?
It's already going. Okay, so you can start to smell the aroma from the almonds and the walnuts, which is exactly the point where you want to be. And we have our pan set up here, so this is really good. So again, it's just a guess of how much we're going in. You just want to coat everything.
Did the fire flame out?
Oh no. All right, there we go. Propane. All right. So I like to do less is more, because you can always add, you can't subtract. And then just make sure that you're stirring everything up, that it's really well coated. All right, so as everything is really coated, give it another couple of seconds, maybe like another 30 seconds, just to heat it through, keep it moving. All we're gonna do is transfer this into our pan with the parchment paper. Move it all about. Make sure you get all the bits. Oh, do you want to grab the salt and open that up? Oh, those seeds are tricky. Okay, so, yeah, and coat away. Oh, do you want to put some more nibs on top?
Ooh, yes, nibs.
We're faking it. Pretty much faking it. Okay, and then just going to separate it in the pan. So, yep, awesome. Oh. Remember to turn off your propane. And then that's it. So what we're going to do, just, yeah, separate it. We're just going to throw it in the fridge. And then when it cools down, we break it apart. If you want to touch that, it's going to be really hot. All right, guys, nut clusters.
That's it.
Super easy, super fun, and they're going to be super delicious later.
Are you sticking them in the fridge?
I was going to turn the camera off first. Do you want everybody to watch me put this in the fridge? You guys want to watch me put it in the fridge? I'll put it in the fridge. Okay, let me just put it in the fridge. Is there space in the fridge?
Probably not.
Oh, that's why you're making me do it. Because there's no space in here.
We like to play Lego. Or no, Tetris with the fridge.
Hey, don't open the fridge door. It's all good. We're good. All right, guys, that's us.